Hi, my name is Brian Raymond. I'm here from Ikan Corporation, Houston, Texas, and I want to talk to you about one of our new products that I brought today for training at Markertek. It is the LBX8. It is our newest low-profile DMX light fixture. It is available in daylight only, in bicolor, and soon to be released with PoE only. So right now what I brought is our LBX8, and I want to show you the interface. It shares the similar structure to our other Lyra and Radon lights. We got the big yellow knob, allows us to control color temperature, channel for DMX, and intensity, all with one knob. You see I have a threaded barrel here for power. This is a 24-volt light that uses 50 watts. And we came up with a portable battery solution with our friends at Indie Pro Tools that uses a 26-volt battery if you want to use this light in the field. It only pulls 50 watts, and as you see here, it is a very low-profile fixture. It's got barn doors with the gel clips attached, so if you want to put some diffusion and make a larger, softer source. And this is called the LBX8, bicolor $6.99. Daylight $6.49, and soon to be released in the PoE version around $8.99 MAP. That is the LBX8 from Ikan Corp, Houston, Texas. Thank you very much.